New at 6, a report by the USDA says deer in Michigan are contracting COVID. But as News 8's Whitney Burney is finding out, the organization is still working to figure out how. Whitney?
Emily, the USDA took a really small sample of 481 deer across 4 different states. Of those, the most significant number of positive tests was right here in Michigan. Millions of white-tailed deer currently roam the state, known to carry things like chronic wasting disease, mange, and now COVID-19.
We currently really do not know the implications of this initial look, right?
Dr. Thomas DiLiberto works with APHIS Wildlife Services at the USDA. After learning the deer could catch COVID-19, the team launched this study, finding COVID antibodies in different populations of white-tailed deer in Illinois, Pennsylvania, New York, and Michigan. Here in our state, they gathered 113 samples. Of those, 67% tested positive for SARS-CoV-2 antibodies, meaning they likely had COVID-19 at some point. But these numbers don't necessarily reflect how big the problem is.
If we wanted to talk about how many deer or the percent of deer in the entire state were affected, we would have to collect a larger sample size over a much broader distribution across the state.
The study now raising more questions and answers, like how does this impact humans and where did the deer get the virus? DiLiberto suspects it could be from people, surfaces, feed, or other animals.
It's likely that it's not through one route. Because we found exposure in deer across 4 states over a really broad geographic range, both within each state and across the 4 states, it's likely that exposure is happening in several or many different ways.
Despite the finding, the USDA says it likely won't have an impact on hunting season.
There is really no evidence that people can get SARS-CoV-2 from eating food, whether that's normal livestock or whether it's game hunted wild meat. There's no evidence that hunters can get COVID-19 from deer. However, there are other diseases that we can get from close contact with wildlife.
We did reach out to the Michigan Department of Natural Resources to see if they'll begin looking for the disease in deer at their check stations, but they say it's a little bit too early to know. The USDA says they're now working to get answers on how deer are contracting COVID and to see if it's still circulating in their populations. Live here in studio, Whitney Burney, News 8.